All right, for you guys who are like, oh, I can't do it because all I have is a pickup truck or a little car, man. I just traveled 16 hours in this thing. A regular pickup truck, 3 40x40 pole tents, stakes. And yeah, I was sagging a little bit, but we got here. It could be done. Don't be discouraged. Get out there and get this money. We're getting everything offloaded and getting ready because actually these tents are going out today. And stay tuned. We'll show you what we got going on. All right. There we go. Got you, player. Go ahead. Oh, hold on. You recording? Give me those back, man. I gotta look like I'm working. Come on. A little teamwork to make the dream work, baby. Here goes one 40x40 pole tent. If you have a pickup truck, it's perfect. Like you can start doing tents. You can do 20x20s, 10x10s. Like literally, it fits in the bed of the truck. Like it's easy. That's gonna bring, if you're doing currently rentals right now, it's gonna bring your ticket price average up. Generally, when you do tent, you'll get everything underneath it too. So like tents go out in the winter time and the summertime. So if you don't have tents, think about it and get into it. All right, guys, we're all loaded up. I just have the 140x40 that we're gonna set up. We're about to head out. It's fun. I'm here with my boy. I think you know him, Xavier, the one and only. One thing he asked me is like, hey, did you get the loops for the tent top? And I was like, I think they're, no, I didn't get them, okay? And then so anyways, we come back and we started looking all over the place. They end up being inside the tent bag. But luckily, we're only 3 minutes away from the warehouse as we were passing by, so now we're off again to the location. So we got all the stuff, so yeah. Stay tuned.
But what would have happened is that we would have got all the way to the place that's an hour away, and we would have been like, man, how are we supposed to rush it? Just staying together. Where's the loop sit? And then it would have been that those time of year.
All right, guys, if y'all don't know, this is the place to get all your stuff for cheap. Harbor Freight, all right?
Yeah. Walk in, walk out.
If not, you're gonna end up, you come in here for one thing, next thing you come out with like 20 different things. Like, it was such a good price, I had to get it. Got your welders for you guys that wanna weld your own stuff. Got your tires, you got your guns over there. I'm just playing, I don't have guns. Got some blowers. Ah, here they are. Okay, so that one's good. I just need.
Why don't you just get 4 of these?
4 of those? Man, it don't matter. Here, we just get one of these things. Yeah.
But I thought you gotta cover the space though.
Yeah, I already did. I bought this one already. I believe so. Or maybe I bought that one.
Anyway, you put in 2 of these.
You think so?
I think you use these for the 20x20 too.
Oh yeah, you're right. All right, cool. Sounds good. Let's get out of here before we start buying some more stuff.
Wasted money.
237. I'm gonna use my discount code.
I thought they let you. I was like, they let you get it. There's other Jimmys in here, but you get
You pop the door open.
I was like, oh snap.
Thank you. All right, we got the goods. Time to go have some fun now. At 23 each.
Yeah, put the price up on you.
Huh? They still waiting for that quote. But my thing is, I had to get fabric for the tent, and then after that, I have to find white lights, because right now all we have is black ones. And the lights ain't cheap.
Or you just tell them that we only have black lights.
I could tell them that, yeah, you're right. But they said they want it just like the picture. Yeah. And then Kobe's over there like, man, what the heck? Customers all pissed off.
It's just that I watched like 5 other videos too, and then I watched them twice.
Oh, this is a secret playbook. In case y'all wondering, this is a secret playbook. Y'all can't see this. This is only exclusive to us.
Hey, what you doing?
Hey, whoa.
My Playboy stuff in here.
Now, it's basically a breakdown of all the dimensions of different tents and like the spacing and everything like that. So basically that way we can calculate everything, where stakes need to go, and that way the client also knows like the pole's gonna be here and whatnot. So we're just pulling up the diagram for the tent that we're about to put up, right? Yeah, our good friends over there at Salina hooked us up with this. So if you get a manufacturer that you like to use, just holler at them. They'll most likely have this book for you. It'll help you out whenever you do planning. This is where the party's at. I feel like we've been here before. Because the other one showed that it was a dirt road. Hello. Sorry, we're trying to see, like, where's this spot that they took a picture of? Is it right here?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see. Is anybody gonna pull over there? I'll just pull on this concrete. That's cool? Okay, cool. Yeah. They might as well put the 15 by 15 flags up too.
So where you want?
Where they wanted to put it at?
Just right here.
Right, like literally on this?
So we went out to the customer's house, and then we realized that the pole tent that we set up, half of the pole tent was gonna be trying to set up on concrete. And as everyone knows, this is a no-go. So basically the customer ordered the pole tent, but they didn't realize that the pole tent is different than the frame tent and how it's set up. And I think our team, when I looked over it, said something about it, but we didn't say it clearly enough. So we went out here, we started getting the stuff kind of together, and we realized that the ground wasn't leveled out. So we talked to the customers, ended up working out for us to come back another day. We ended up picking up a frame tent that morning and bringing that frame tent over to set the 40 by 40 up a little later, and about 2 days later on Friday. We first went out there on Wednesday. So we started the week out, and we knew we had to go out to Ohio and basically to Salina. We had to pick up 3 40 by 40s. We had some issues earlier, like before the week, even trying to get them out there so we can go pick them up. They weren't going to get here in time, and we kind of delayed in purchasing them. I don't know why, we just probably being lazy. But we ended up to drive out there, me and Eddie. We drove basically across country from Dallas all the way to Ohio. It was about 17 hours plus whatever time we took us to stop. We basically drove straight there, picked the stuff up, and then drove straight back. And then we were able to basically pick everything as pick up. And this was all 40 by 40 pole tents as well. So this was a real crazy week. Basically Kobe ended up going on vacation. So we were kind of down a couple people. And in that same week too as well, one of our top drivers, Louise, ended up getting a back injury. So he wasn't able to work. And then we had a couple other employees who didn't show up for the whole week for some reason. And we basically lost our kind of top 2 guys, plus Kobe for that week. And this was the busiest week that we possibly had this week. So we started, me and Steven went out there, see behind the camera, everything like that. So we went out there to basically set up 6 20 by 20s. And we were setting them all up on concrete, and we were drilling through down to put the stakes down. We had to come back the next day.
1 day later.
At nighttime, it's like almost like midnight to like 4 a.m. and we were tearing down the tents and we had the stakes down. We ended up having all these things kind of barricading all the stakes out there. We ended up ordering a DoorDash. Person went the wrong way that we told them and ran through our little stake minefield. Even though we were telling them, get out the way, no, don't come this way. We had it blocked off on one side. He went around the barricade. And he's crazy and he ran into the actual stake. That's what happens when, what do you say, that was BMW M3 hits a stake.
This is crazy. the flash came on.
The flashing light is like obvious. See tents and fucking stakes everywhere.
Hey, they got the big guns in today.
Alright, looks like that's all we have for y'all today. If y'all enjoyed this video, hey, please click this playlist right here. We have more content and also more content coming. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, drop a comment, and we'll see y'all in the next video.